Hi children, welcome back in our online IU classes. Dear students, I hope you all are fine and enjoying watching videos. Keep watching our videos regularly and study regularly. Students, in our previous video we have started our IU's first lesson, that is synonyms, and we made two videos before this, and up to 20 questions we have finished here. Now let's solve remaining questions from this lesson. Students, we are solving questions about synonym. Okay, and as I told you before this only, what is synonym? Synonyms are the words having same meaning. The words having similar meaning, they are known as synonyms, like talk and speak. Okay, talk and speak, these both words have same meaning. Understood? Tiny and small, small and tiny, both words have same meaning. So these words having same meaning, they are known as synonyms or similar meaning words. Okay, now students, up to 20 question we have finished. Let's solve 21st question. What is given here? Prohibit. So what is the synonym of prohibit? Options are there: prescribe, allow, forbid and provide. Students, among these four options, if we see carefully, three options are similar. Okay, prescribe, allow and provide. Allow means to do, give permission to do something. Provide means provide things to do something. Okay, and prescribe also have the same meaning, but forbid means to say no. Okay, to refuse. Okay, forbid and prohibit, these two words have same meaning, to stop to do something. Okay, so its answer is option C. Now 22, radiant. Okay, radiant, what is the synonym of radiant? Cloudy, bright, swollen and dim. So what is the synonym of radiant? Its answer, my dear students, its answer is option B, bright. Okay, now 23, renowned means what? Renowned. Okay, renowned. Introvert, extrovert, unknown or famous. So this is one adjective. Okay, for a well-known thing we use this renowned. It means famous only. Okay, so its correct synonym is famous. Now 24th word is here, rescue. What is meant by rescue? In our English subject, there was one lesson. It was titled Rescue. If you remember it, you know it very well, rescue. So what is mean rescue? What is the synonym of rescue? Peril, danger, pitfall or save. So rescue means what? Rescue means save. Okay. 25th question. 25th word is here, scheduled. Scheduled means what? Scheduled means backward, system, unseemly or expected. So what meaning is correct of schedule? What is the synonym of schedule? So students, its correct synonym of the word schedule is expected. What is it? It is expected. Okay, when we schedule something in future, suppose we have to go to Delhi, so we decide one date for it. Suppose 14th February we have decided. It means we have scheduled to go to Delhi on 14th Feb. Okay. So scheduled means only expected. Now let's see 25th question. Twenty-fifth finished, 26th snare. So what is the synonym of snare? Snore, honesty, trap or freedom. So students, snare and trap are both synonym. Now 27th word is there swift. Swift means what? So this word, before this also in previous class IO 1 book you have solved this question swift. Okay, one car is there in market having the same name Swift. So due to its quality only the name is given to the car. Swift, the word have the same meaning like speedy. Okay, it is not slack, it is not leisurely, it is not sluggish. Swift means speedy. So option B is its correct synonym, means its answer is there. 28th word is given synopsis. So what is the synonym of synopsis? Index, mixture, puzzle or summary. So what is the correct synonym of synopsis? Okay, summary is the correct synonym. It's our answer. Now 29th word is unusual. What is the synonym of unusual? Options are here: exceptional, uncommon, unnoteworthy, and unimportant. So unexceptional, uncommon, unnoteworthy, unimportant. So it is correct. Synonym is uncommon. And last one for this video, we will take this 30th one. Valor. Okay, what is the synonym of valor? Cowardice, wise, courage, or beautiful. So students, it is one adjective used for brave people, that is courage. Valor means courage. So students, you have to read these questions again and again with their correct options. Learn these synonym word pairs. Okay. I hope you understood this video very well. Remaining part we will continue in our next video.